Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss ex-strippers
Let's get it!
Tailor-made.
Hey y'all, so welcome back. If y'all have not seen from the title, we are in Bali. Baby, the skin is glistening, the hair is popping. I'm just so overwhelmed with so much joy. I just want to get on here and say thank you guys, like always, for your unwavering support, for your kindness, for your kind words. I think my sensor went out. Star of the show, ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show. Outdoor bath, but definitely privacy. Has a tub here. I think there's supposed to be a shower somewhere. I'll probably find it tomorrow, but this still is a show, ladies and gentlemen. Like, look how gorgeous this is. The toilet right here. Look at all the plants. Yep, the shower's back there. Absolutely gorgeous. I gotta capture this in the morning because this is not doing us justice. Hello. Put my head right here so I don't get a lot of the glare. So yeah, we are here in Bali. I'm just sitting here and reflecting. Just sitting in the moment. I know that at times I can go fast, and life can just seem so like overwhelming, but I believe that in this season God placed me where I am, how I am, how he saw fit, right? It's no coincidence I am in Bali on a scooter of all things, and I'm having to slow down. I'm having to slow down and actually take in what is around me, take in all the blessings and all the opportunities that's happened to me within these last 3 days alone, really, but within this season, right? Since January, we've, slowly but surely hit the ball running and hit the ground running, rather. And I've I've had to take things very slow and methodically, and I am grateful. I was in the taxi this morning on my way to Incheon Airport, and I was listening to a gospel song, and just tears were like flowing down my face. And I didn't know exactly what to think or what to believe in that moment, but I knew that God was present and God was with me. I knew that He wanted me to be right where I was, the speed, the timing, everything. And I had to accept it, and I felt it. Ultimately, I felt it. So I just want to get on here and say a couple of words before I get ready for bed. If you feel that something is on your heart, if you feel as if you need to make the extra steps and the extra decisions, or you need to actually call on God, do so. Don't cut any corners. Don't try to fast track. Live in the moment. Live in the moment. Go through the rough times, the good times. Like, go through it all. Like, really go through it all. It's like the best advice that I was given, but didn't take it until I had to take it. So, and it's different, right, for everybody. It may look a certain way, it may come out a certain way, but they're having a good time. Truly just blessed and excited and living and loving life. Really. I really am. I want to thank God first and foremost for getting me to this point of just like solitude, calmness, just all of that. Like, it feels good to breathe, like to actually take a breath, you know what I mean? It feels good to not be needed by anyone, to be rushed, to be held up, but only in God's timing. This is what I'm meant to be doing. I just want to inspire who I can inspire out there and let you know that it's going to get better. The season that you're in, it will not last long. It will more than almost likely you'll be on top when you come out of that season. Like, you will. But yeah, I'm not going to rant too long. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for bed so I can wake up bright and early and film some content and go to the zoo, and I need to make sure all my devices are charged. That's within itself, but I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I want to see everybody win, and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hobby, do this.
know why I'm whispering. I am stupid tired. It is like 6:30 a.m. We are getting up because we have to a morning filled with adventure. So I have to be, my driver's gonna be here at 7:30, so I have like a little over an hour now to get myself going. So edit some make some content. So yeah, and hopefully I get a room tour. I'll probably get a room tour later, just because I started last night and then I was like, I can make this so much better, because I got in like really late and I have today and I check out tomorrow at 12. So yeah, and tomorrow is my birthday, so that's that. Yeah, let's go ahead and get ourselves together so we can get out the door and get some good content. But let me show you guys once over the master bath, because that is the star, not the star, but that is like one of the best places, the reason why I chose this villa. So yeah, let's go check it out.
Hobby, do this.
Y'all, breathtaking. Even though I love this master bath, it is definitely, for me, not handy accessible, just because the elongation of the shower. So I cannot, however, use this shower. I'll just be sleeping in that the master bath bedroom, so I won't be using this bathroom at all. Not even the tub. I love it, but beautiful. For you guys that can, the lighting is, it is what it is. I mean, the lighting is beautiful. For those that can, I just won't dirty up this area. Utilize it. Well, actually, no, I'll be taking content in here, so period. I just won't be showering. Yeah, so anywho, absolutely love it. Let's get ourselves together, because we got stuff we got to do. Okay.
Party Beats.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Toddy Beats.
The Bali Zoo.
BZ 2370.
BZ 2370. Yang putih kasih tamu, yang kuning depan.
So, one for you, one for me.
Okay. Please pass your ticket to staff while checking. The zoo. We're here.
Iya.
It's not going to be a lot of people, but it's good.
Yeah, maybe.
At the Bali Zoo today. The Bali Zoo. Bali Zoo. Super excited. All right, we're in the
Dalam nak sarap sorot, yo.
raining right now.
Lumayan ya.
We're not mad at it. Raining. Poncho on. And the buggy. Let's go.
Purchase your tracks today. 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 Purchase your tracks today.
Toddy Beats.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Toddy Beats.
Purchase your tracks today.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Beneran. Sehingga dulu. Mas. Tampil kamera. Oke, lagi ya. Thank you. You can check the cover.
Yes.
Oh, it's the video.
Oh yeah, I was still video.
Hello, miss. You want to take photos?
Oh yes, I did.
Or you put this one?
It's okay.
No, okay.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay. The camera, yes. One, two.
Thank you.
Kiss the hand. Look.
Toddy Beats.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Awas adik, awas dikira mau nyerang. bentar kayak malah kuacinya amat dia. Kita kartu itu soalnya. Iya. Dia nantang terus.
They're having more fun than the birds. How? Okay, let's see if he'll come to me. I have some food.
Bu, ada makanan tuh.
Okay. I don't have it yet. Ooh.
Smile.
It's yummy.
Cara turuninnya gimana?
Hi, baby.
Okay, put
Are you
your
having
hand.
fun? Oh, my hand? Oh, it feels so weird. Ah! I'm holding two of them. Sorry. Save some for your brother. How do I know which one's a girl, which one's boy?
Which one?
Which one's girl, which one's boy?
Dark eye, boy,
I can't
and
see the
have a red
eyes.
ring. That's both female.
Hey, Dad, try.
Pulang udah.
It's okay, you like kiss. He kiss you. Okay.
Yummy.
Oh, you want my glasses?
See if I can turn this way. Yes.
Thank you. Wait.
Okay.
They eat all day, they get fat.
Yeah.
They eat and get fat.
Look up.
I like the bird on this head. I wish I could do that.
Take it. I put on your shoulder.
On my shoulder? Okay, let me sit. I'm gonna get dirty. I don't care.
Left shoulder, relax. Okay, and he like kiss.
You like kiss?
Yeah.
His nails are so funny. I got all the birds. You're dropping the food.
Amazing how they pick up the seeds. And they basically give.
Hi, friend. I got all the
Yes,
birds.
that's his teeth.
Thank you.
Hey, look, what are you
They're so cute. Hello there. Welcome. Oh, hey, don't do that. That's not nice.
Someone's coming.
That's not nice. Share with
I
your...
can fit over here, too.
Share. There's more. Don't bite him.
Oh, big one coming. Hey, bro, come, bro.
Hello?
They don't like to share.
What's the food? What food over here? Good?
Yummy.
Mulera.
They're literally cracking the... Okay. I didn't know they're cracking the seeds. Oh, wow, like us. We can spit the shell.
Tengok, aku ngeluarin.
Oh, give me. Oh my god. Oh, stop bending.
Okay.
Okay, that's just.
Already empty.
Oh, not my shoes.
Having a lunch party here. Okay, there's more for everybody.
You just chill. You don't like want me.
There's more for everyone.
Like get marks in my food.
Ooh, yummy. Yummy.
Sino what
want to eat.
That's a mountain eagle. Volcano.
Kawan
Is there anything left? Him and my camera. He's like, what's that? Uh-oh. Hey, everybody. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, we eat so good. Bite him.
The black one more friendly. Yeah? Black one. Can take it? Yeah. Can take it.
The Bali Zoo. Had such a good time feeding the orangutans this morning.
Hobby, do this. Hobby, do this. Hobby, do this. Hobby do this.